if I understand correctly, we should not rush into like immediate academic remediation or immediate academic acceleration without addressing sort of the fundamental mental state of kids.
Absolutely.
Because we would be going fast to go slow in that circumstance.
Absolutely.
And so, is there pressure that, say, school district leaders or others feel that might, say, put a primacy on resolving academic problems without addressing some of these more deeper-rooted problems that kids have? And if there is that pressure, can we make sure that there's appropriate balance so that you can address these sort of preconditions to success in given the due course that it needs? Did I understand it correctly?
Yes.
So the only pressure coming from the federal government, because the money that gets coming from the federal government's kind of no strings attached. I mean, there's very significant maintenance of effort strings for the state, but when it's distributed to the school districts, they have to spend it in one of any number of categories, but these are very broad categories, and there's no performance requirement associated with the funds. They just have to be spent on time. So some of the funds expire September of 23, some of them expire September of 24. So to the extent that districts feel pressure to perform, one of that is, I think, moral. Like we all feel the urgency of now. Kid only has one shot at first grade. We want to give them our best. Another could be stemming from the academic accountability system, which there is none this year. And again, the accountability system's been designed to give folks the best of growth or proficiency. So in that case, you can concentrate all your energy on growing kids, which you kind of do need to. I mean, knowing what I know about the brain, if your kid's amygdala is hyperactivated at all times, their executive functioning, the portion of the brain, ain't working the way that it needs to. So you do have to be sensitive to getting the kids calm and in the right mental state in order to absorb. Otherwise, the academic instruction's not going to land. So I think that balance is important.